Welcome to HummerFixes. 2 years ago I made my video about replacing brake lines on a Hummer H2. At the end I found a lot of my video was corrupted and unusable. Fortunately though, I'd kept notes and I've put them together in a PDF. You will find the brake line replacement guide, an invaluable source of information that will help you service your vehicle. To obtain the PDF, just email the address in the comment section and a free copy will be sent directly to you. Please note this offer is completely free for my subscribers. There are no sales, no promotions, no other offers, nothing else. All you will receive from me is my thanks and a free copy of the PDF. Thanks again for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Please give the thumbs up, share and subscribe. Oh, and don't forget the alert bell.